did you see Amazon's statement?
I saw it, Chief.
Okay, team, this is it. Amazon FBA has done it again. They changed. It is our duty to make sure sellers stay informed so they can build a business in 2021. So here are your assignments. Woods, find out which countries have new Amazon marketplaces. I want to know their full potential. On my desk, 2 p.m.
On it, Chief.
Joy, find out how tax law has changed, what sellers need to know so the feds don't come knocking on their door.
Okay, no pressure.
Williams, how has COVID-19 changed Amazon? I want to know all the specs. I want to know all the details from sea to shining sea. Get on it.
Is that all? Would you like some fries with that?
Vegan fries. Stratton, is it true? Uploading product videos is now available to all Amazon sellers. You're going to go through all 5,000 pages. You're going to figure this out. Get on it. Jones. Where is Jones?
He's at lunch, Chief.
Lunch? He's fired.
Really? Well, don't you need him for the courtroom piece?
Okay, fine. He's unfired. Team, this is our moment. Sellers have a right to stay informed. Therefore, I am going live because Amazon is changing. In fact, Amazon is always changing. That will never change. Let's do this!
Aren't all fries vegan?
I should fire the whole lot of them. Oh, hello there. Today, I'm going to bring you 24 vegan fries. Today, I'm going to bring you 24 critical things you need to know to sell on Amazon in 2021. Now, each of these points can either help you obtain massive financial growth or help you avert financial disaster for your Amazon FBA business. So be sure to stick around so you don't miss a thing. If this is your first time joining us, I am Seth Kniep, a real 7-figure Amazon seller and founder of Just One Dime. We train Amazon sellers in over 150 countries, dozens of whom are now millionaires, and hundreds more are now 6-figure sellers. We also manage tens of millions of dollars worth of FBA business investor funds. By the end of this video, you are going to know, number 1, exactly how these changes at Amazon affect you. Number 2, what you can do about these changes. And number 3, what to expect from Amazon in the future. So here we go with 24 critical things you must know. Number 1, essential Amazon tools and A+ content are now available to new sellers. So what is A+ content? When you become brand registered, you get access to essential data analytics and A+ content tools that help evaluate your listing to the next level. A+ content used to be called enhanced brand content. And also, when you are brand registered, Amazon will just make life so much easier for you. You see, here's the way it used to work. You had to have a registered trademark in order to become brand registered. It can take you anywhere from 8 to 12 months for you to get approved at the US Patent and Trademark Office. Plus, the Trademark Office won't approve your trademark until you're already selling your product. Therefore, the earliest that new Amazon business owners could get brand registered and get access to A+ content would be between 8 and 12 months. So here's what changed. Now, you can become brand registered when you apply for your trademark through Amazon vetted lawyers. Introducing the IP Accelerator program. It costs about $1,500, give or take, and this money goes towards your trademark registration. So go to brandservices.amazon.com/IP Accelerator to apply. This will drastically shorten the time it takes for you to get brand registered. Number 2 announcement. You can now upload videos to your Amazon listing to hype your product. Yes, you heard that correctly. Product videos used to be an A+ content, privilege exclusive to brand registered sellers only. Before that, only vendor sellers could add videos to their listing. Now your non-brand registered sellers can upload videos to showcase your product and your brand as long as you are the brand owner. Boost your conversion, do yourself a favor, and act on this now. Number 3, it just got easier to sell in global markets. If you use this, prepare yourselves, Amazon Currency Converter. Amazon Currency Converter will convert your internationally earned money to the currency of your choice and disperse it right into your bank account. For example, if you are a European selling in the USA, you can get dollars converted to euros and vice versa. In other words, the higher your sales volume, the lower a cut Amazon will take, whether you're an American selling across the world or vice versa, and this will massively simplify conversions for you. Number 4, USA sellers. Your opportunity to expand into Canada and Mexico just boomed. Amazon will now sell your products to Canadian and Mexican buyers from your Amazon FBA inventory. They call it remote fulfillment, FBA. Cross-country FBA means you won't have to divide up your storage. One less thing to worry about. I'm all for it. Number 5, Amazon just expanded into 3 new markets where you can make a fortune. The United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore. Now, what makes these markets great? First of all, Saudi Arabia is the 18th largest economy in the world. Check that out. Singapore and the UAE both speak English. Check that out. By the way, don't forget India, absolutely massive market, over 1 billion people. Each of these markets are growing, so take advantage and get in early. Number 6, Amazon business taxes just got a lot easier. Marketplace facilitator laws in the USA and new value-added tax, as you know as VAT laws in Great Britain, mean that Amazon now has to collect and remit taxes for you, taking a huge burden off of your shoulders. But in the good old US of A, you still have to manually go into your Seller Central account and direct Amazon to collect and remit sales tax for you in just a few states. Check out our sales tax collection video after you finish getting these 24 vital updates. Number 7, the same Amazon product tactics no longer work. Now, back in the day, you used to be able to buy something off Alibaba, slap on a private label, and it's good to go. Well, not anymore, ladies and gentlemen. You need to make your product stand out and bring more value to your customers than your competitors. Well, how? Differentiation. Differentiation is the act of producing a product that is not already there. For example, if I'm a customer looking for a cat backpack carrier, and one of them sets itself apart by having a little clear plastic bubble that allows my little kitty to look around, well, guess what? I now have a reason to choose that product whether it has reviews or not. When people say FBA is dead, what they probably mean is that it's not the easiest thing in the world to do, so they quit. The old way, yes, it's dead. Instead of adapting, they blame Amazon. Be better than that. Focus on what you can do to succeed and leave the finger pointing to the people falling behind. We will teach you how to choose and build a product that builds you long-term passive income. In fact, I would like to give you an opportunity to apply for this right now. Go to jod.com/freedom. JOD stands for just one dime. We call ourselves just one dime because I started out with a single dime. I asked complete strangers to double it, turn that 10 cents into $400, and turn that $400 into millions. With a single dime in hand, I knew in my heart that I would be able to show people how you can grow wealth, even if you start with something extremely little. Amazon FBA may not be as easy as slapping a label on something, but if you have the right mindset and follow the right people, you can go far. Number 8, 2021 product research criteria is entirely different. It used to be that we suggested that your product fit inside a good old shoebox. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is over. What matters is your profit margin. Here's a quick look at product research in 2021. Find a product with prices above $25 minimum, low competition, and high differentiation potential. Those are by far the most important criteria when it comes to choosing a product to sell. We go into far more detail in our membership. Again, you can apply for a membership at jod.com/freedom. Number 9, Alibaba is now safer and better than ever. Alibaba got this reputation as a haven for scammers. Well, Alibaba really made it easier for you to filter out the bad actors recently. Tool number 1, use verified supplier, where Alibaba will only show you suppliers they confirmed are real. Tool number 2, use trade assurance. When you use trade assurance, Alibaba holds the money that you pay the supplier until you confirm that you got the exact goods the supplier promised you. Number 10, hijackers are gone. They're fired. Well, mostly. 18 months ago, if you asked third-party sellers what the number 1 Amazon issue was, they'd say hijackers. Well, they're really not that much of a nuisance anymore. If you've differentiated your product well and follow specific guidelines that we teach in our membership, you will have far fewer hijackers to worry about. Illegal hijackers that sell fake goods are bad for customers. Anything that's bad for customers is bad for Amazon. And Amazon will crack down on anything that upsets customers, and that will never change. Haha. Plus, hijackers are now easier to deal with when you apply techniques, yes, that we teach in the FBA Mastery membership. Number 11, new brand name restrictions are now live. Amazon is focusing on supporting third-party brands, not so much sellers, but brands. Amazon gave us control of our listings, which makes dealing with potential hijackers so much easier. What do you have to do? Simple. When you open a new listing, you call Amazon to verify it is your brand that is being listed. This filters out bad actors and frauds. One step. It's a short delay in getting your listing live, but every bit worth the wait. Number 12, COVID-19 has changed Amazon forever. Amazon sales have exploded in part due to the pandemic. Looking at the last 12 months of all retail sales in the US, what percentage of those would you guess are online? 14.3%. We have not even begun to witness the cusp of the biggest movement of wealth since the history of time as we know it. Economists are scratching their heads. This means unbelievable opportunity for you. Number 13, Amazon is restricting your product pricing. What? It's true. Well, for essential products. When the COVID shutdown first happened, many sellers rushed to mark up essential items like hand sanitizer 5,000% or more, and it pissed buyers off. You piss buyers off, Amazon will shut you down. Well, how do you make sure that you're not price gouging? Well, check out your competitors' price on Amazon, Walmart.com, and Jet. Stay beneath the highest price when selling essential COVID-related products. But ideally, you're selling a differentiated product, so this shouldn't even apply to you. Number 14, buyers can return your Amazon product 90 days after purchase. Another COVID-19 measure, Amazon made the holiday return period start in October. Customers had until January 31st to return any product bought between the start of October and the new year. This encouraged buyers to do their holiday shopping early. Amazon is getting so many orders that they're struggling to fulfill them on time. If they could spread out purchases, well, that's a big plus for them. Amazon had a 60-day holiday return policy in 2019. What's in store for 2021? 90 days. 2022? Probably still 90 days since customers will be used to it. Number 15, Amazon added even more storage fees. In addition to the 6-month storage fee, there's now a 12-month storage fee. Amazon wants to make room for more products. Predict your inventory needs with our video on that exact topic once you're done with this one. We included the link below. Number 16, new inventory limits are punishing Amazon sellers. Amazon doesn't want to be a storage center, they want to be a fulfillment center. That is why when Amazon flew me to the headquarters in Seattle and I called it an Amazon warehouse, they quickly corrected me and said, no, Seth, it's called an Amazon fulfillment center. As a result, they're holding sellers to higher standards and require that you maintain an inventory performance index of 500 or more, or else you'll face restrictions. Amazon would rather have a few of many products than many of fewer products. One overlooked reason Amazon is doing this. They want more room for more sellers. Number 17, new sellers. Listen to this. Join a new program to make fulfillment by Amazon easier than you've ever seen before. It's called the FBA New Selection Program. Here are the program's benefits. First, free monthly storage and free removals on new ASINs for your first 50 units. Second, free return processing for 5 product categories: shoes, handbags, jewelry, luggage, and watches on your first 50 units. Number 3, discount on shipping. Your first $100 in inbound transportation charges will be waived goodbye. Number 18, incentivize your customers to buy your product in bulk with special pricing options. Bulk pricing options are now in the Automate pricing tool in Seller Central. Now, you can set minimum and maximum price limits for up to 50 SKUs at a time across multiple countries. Number 19, you can sell your product when it's not in stock. The in-stock Head Start feature will allow you to sell to customers when your inventory is on its way to Amazon fulfillment centers. This pilot program used to be limited to a few sellers, and now it is available to regular FBA sellers. Here's how it works. FBA will automatically make your temporarily out-of-stock products available for customers to find and buy when your shipment is on its way and Amazon is confident about its arrival date. Ideally, you won't have to use this, but it can really come through in a pinch. Number 20, Amazon will automatically cancel your orders. Yes, Amazon is forcing merchant-fulfilled network orders to cancel if orders aren't fulfilled after 30 days. It's a pretty good grace period. If you have trouble meeting a 30-day deadline, use a 3PL, third-party fulfillment provider, to make sure you fulfill orders on time. Check out our blog in the description below to learn if a 3PL is right for you. Number 21, USA sellers' personal info is now public. I'm not kidding. Amazon started publicly listing your name and address on September 1st, 2020. Amazon sellers were really delighted about this. Well, we covered this in our blog as well, but real quick, 2 simple steps will ensure that your private information is not visible to the whole wide world. First, purchase a remote address such as a P.O. box. Second, register that remote address with Amazon. Click on the link in the description below for a detailed breakdown of exactly how to do this. Number 22, is your Amazon account at risk? Well, here's how you can check. Account Health Rating, also known as AHR. AHR is a new feature that displays on the account health page for professional sellers worldwide. The AHR helps you monitor your account health based on how well you adhere to Amazon selling policies, keeping you proactively addressing your seller account's health and avoiding disruption to your business. Number 23, you need to know about this new product bundling tool, and you're going to love it. You can now create virtual product bundles with FBA ASINs to help increase your sales if you're a brand owner. Bundles are free and they use your existing FBA inventory, so be sure you take advantage of this. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, number 24, grab customers' attention with custom product options. Yes, you can customize your products for your buyers via the Amazon Custom program. Now, Amazon Custom has been around since 2015, but recently Amazon added a ton of new customization options that encourage customers to jump ship from Etsy and mosey on over to Amazon. You perform the customizations, not Amazon, and you must fulfill all customization orders FBM, aka fulfilled by merchant. So what kind of customizations can you do? Well, first of all, you can print text onto your product. You can do engraving, embroidery, right on the product, printing, painting with this update. You can do practically anything. For example, let's say you're selling a PS4 case on Amazon. Via Amazon Custom, your customer could tell you their initials that they want you to emboss on the plastic. Second, shoppers can now send you images to print on products they want to buy. Kind of like that. Third, product configuration or list of options enables you to create a series of drop-down options through Seller Central that customers can use to build their own custom product. Kind of like Build-A-Bear. I'm not going to go through all the fine details of new customization options, but I do want you to understand how cool and in-depth these updates are. And just so you know, your Amazon Custom listing is treated like any other listing on Amazon.com in that they show up in the same search results. And you can run PPC on that listing, but customers can filter by Amazon Custom, just like when they filter by product category. All you have to do is register to become an Amazon Custom seller. Bonus. You can now boost your sales with an editorial recommendations article. Check out jod.com/ER, does not stand for emergency room, to learn about the best kept Amazon FBA secret right now and increase your sales by as much as 10 times, literally, jod.com/ER. This is the FBA Times with just one dime. If you love this video, like it, subscribe, smash that bell to get notified, or else I'll fire the whole lot of them. In the comments, tell us what topic you would like us to cover next.